ever come across a YouTube video, like a viral video on YouTube, and you wish to make that kind of content based on what your YouTube niche is all about? For that video to actually go viral or have that kind of views, there might be a lot of things that's constituted to that, which you don't know. You just see the video, oh, this video is performing well, 1 minute, you see 1 point something thousand views. I've seen a video like that. And maybe you want to create that kind of content, but let it be based on what your YouTube niche is actually all about. All right. And you put the content out there, but yeah, your own is here to go viral. Don't worry. You copy a viral video tags in order for you to implement it in your own video and you go viral. I've done it, I've done this thing in like some of my videos, guys, and I've actually seen that it actually works, and I'm going to share it with you in this video. So without wasting much time, please guys, do well to like, share, and subscribe to or my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you get updated whenever I post a new video like this. So without wasting much time, I'm just going to head over to my YouTube app, which we are going to do this by ourselves. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, let's just I'm going to make use of my video, guys. I'm not going to make use of any other person's video but my video. All right, so let's go to let me click on my channel here. I'm not going to pick any of my video, guys, so that's that for that. So let's say you come across this my video, it's not actually doing well like that too, but it's just for the purpose of this story, right? Okay, let's say you come across this video, big YouTuber slide, get 1,000 subscribers in 3 days. Okay, and let's say this video is actually doing well, yes, and you want to create something like this. If you're actually talking about YouTube growth and strategies, all right, you can actually make a video about this. And let's say this video just go viral, I have the views, and you check when I uploaded the video, and you can see how the views are skyrocketed. What you need to do in order for you to actually see if I'm using a viral YouTube tags on this video that makes this video to go viral is that you click on those three lines here. So when you click on those three lines, you are going to see share. You click on that share. So when you click on share, what you just need to do is just to click on copy link. We've copied the link of this video, right? So let's head over to our Chrome browser. Let's head over to our Chrome browser. I just hope it doesn't give me stress this time. All right. So let's just type YouTube. Sorry guys, I don't know why. All right. So let's type YouTube tag extractor, and let's hit on the go button. That's open. We have a lot of them here, so it's yet for you. We have a lot of YouTube tag extractor here, so it's left for you to pick the one you have. If you actually want to generate a tag for your YouTube video, you just bring the title, you click here to generate a tag for you. But this one, we want to extract the tags from a viral YouTube video and put it in our own video. So I'm just going to click on this first one here. So when I click on that, let's just give it a little time to load. You can see video YouTube video URL. Okay, I put the video, and let's click on extract tags. Okay, you can see the topic of this very particular video is actually going to come up, and these are the hashtags. Sorry guys, and these are the tags I've actually used for this very particular video, right? Let's assume you want to copy everything here. You just click on select all and you click on copy. But if you don't want to copy everything here, you just choose, just highlight the one you want to copy, like the way I'm doing, and you just come here and click on copy selected, and you copy it, and you just do well to like go to your YouTube tag and put in those keywords. And trust me, if it's a video that's actually doing well, you using the same tag will actually make your video to rank alongside with the most viral or the most performing video. And that's all the trick about it. I've used it and it has worked for me, and so let me share it with you guys. So I hope you find the video helpful. Please do well to like, share, comment. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get updated whenever I post a new video. Bye guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video.